Well, hello there. Hope everybody's having a great Saturday. Great start to your weekend. This is Boba Fett Me with Bounty Hunter Breaks. And today I've got a Target exclusive product. It's I guess they call it a mega box for update. There's no medallion card included in the box. There's just, I think it's 10 packs. No, 16 packs. 16 jumbo packs. And then they talk about it, says you can get the Ronald Acuna Jr. highlight cards in there. And then as well, I hadn't seen it till today, but they had the hanger packs. So I grabbed a couple of those too to rip. So again, and these hanger packs were $5, well, $4.99. And since there's no tax where I am at, that's the price you pay. And then this here, I believe, was $40. So it's basically like buying two blasters, but you get more than you would if you get a blaster, I think. But we'll get into it here. As far as more cards. So I got the security tag. Let's see what this holds. Miles Straw, Nico Horner, Jerry Rodriguez, Dario Agrazal, Andy Burns, Eduardo Nunez, Ken Griffey, Jared Dyson, not a rookie, Justin Verlander, Felix Pena, Josh Lindholm, a Pedro Martinez 1999 All-Star Game, Yusmeiro Petit for the A's, Chris Sale. There's a nice one. Randy Arozarena foil, a Bobby Dahlback prospect card for the Red Sox. A numbers game. Jeff Bagwell, Marcus Semien for the A's, Turkey Red, Tom Seaver on the Mets, Miguel Cabrera, Julio Tyrion, Drew Pomerantz, Giancarlo Stanton, Chris Davinsky, Tim LaCastro, Gavin Lux rookie debut. That's a different one. Albert Pujols, Zach Wheeler. Houston, we have Liftoff, Santana, sorry. Sam Travis, Bryce Harper, Home Run Derby, Matt Davidson, and then the last one in this pack, Jairo Diaz. So I'm going to sleeve up that Rosarena. Set them in the back there, and then go on to the next one here. Another security tag. So I'll just go through the cards real quick here. There's probably nothing in the first chunk anyway. Everything's to the middle or the back. So here we go on this one. We got a Josh Taylor rookie foil for the Red Sox. Joey Votto, decade's best. Was it Anthony Rendon? Yep. On the Angels now. That's Yasmani Grandal. Yep. Sandy Leon. Doug Mills, Ian Miller, Ryan Weber, Polar Bear and Squirrel. Pete and Jeff. I was trying to figure out who Squirrel was. Cal Ripken, Cal Wright, Chris Owings, Richie Martin, Philip Veal. I was going to say, was it flipped the last one? But it's not, it's sideways. Scott Barlow. Oh, yeah, it is upside down. Mark McGwire, home run derby. So that was pretty uneventful. And those two blaster or hanger packs, fat packs, whatever you want to go call them. I guess I'd say probably steer clear of those if you're seeing them in the store. Just leave them be. Not much there. But we'll get into this ginormous mega box now. Of course, my understanding is it's just packed right with all the packs, so that is definitely true. There's not much. So much so that it snapped their glue that they use to hold the side of to hold the packs in the center. Ugh. Here we go. 16 packs. Just gonna breeze through the base. Got a Gavin Lux, 85. Dale Murphy, Turkey Red. Robinson Cano. Not much else in that one. Got a foil in this one. Probably not the best player to be getting right now. And Jose Altuve. Got a Sixto Sanchez, #1 prospect for the Marlins. Ronald Acuna. Brooks Robinson. Next pack. "20 Years of the Captain," Derek Jeter. Garrett Cole for the Yankees, Turkey Red. Taijuan Walker when he was back on the Mariners, and then he got traded before the end of the shortened season. I hate it when they have all these going every which way. Another Ronald Acuna, 50 and counting. And it's numbered 75 of 299. I don't know what color variation that is, but it is numbered, so we'll take it. I don't know why I'm struggling to put those in. Johnny Bench. Zach Davies, Pujols, Alex Allen. Regular Acuna. David Price, 85. Nolan Ryan. Kershaw. So nothing in there. Next. Turkey Red Chrome. It is a rookie, but not the one that I would have liked to have got. And then behind that, I got a gold Buster Posey. And another Ronald Acuna. And Trevor Bauer. Turkey Red. Okay, next pack. Bartolo Colon. The 1990s. Decade's Best. Bagwell. Or, sorry, Pedro Martinez. I don't know why I said Bagwell. Willie Stargell on the Pirates. And everything but the last card was the right direction on that pack. Now this one's got something different in it. Backwards or something here. Not sure what's going on here. Oh, maybe it's just a... Yeah, it looks like it's just one of those prospect cards. Davidson, Darth Diaz, Luis Garcia, #1 prospect, Mike Piazza on the Dodgers. Another one of the many Trouts that are in the set. Second half of the stack. Canseco, Decade's Best. Ozzie Albies. Joe Panic. Giants and Mets. Packs are sticking everywhere. Bunch of horizontal cards. Ken Griffey when he was on the Reds. And then, oh, there's a Bo Bichette. Rookie debut. Jesus Aguilar. Let's leave it up for the Bo. Ryan Howard. Nice Willie Stargell, 85. Gavin Lux, Turkey Red rookie. Pedro Strop, Alcala, Brad Peacock, Nick Solak, and Tyler White. Another Acuna. David Price. Chris Iannetta for the Yankees. Miles Straw. I think that was his rookie, wasn't it? Or is it his second year for Miles? I think it's second year. Was a rookie last year. Shower Time. Decade's Best, 2000s, the D-backs. Carlton Fisk. Turkey Red. Nico Horner, rookie debut. Nick Turley. 3 packs left. Home Run Derby when Mike Stanton, Giancarlo Stanton, was still on the Marlins. A foil of Starlin Marte. Thurman Munson, Turkey Red. Alex Verdugo on the Red Sox. It's a cool bat he's holding on to there. Got a Nolan Ryan, 85. Wade Boggs on Boston. I suppose I could have had him for anybody, but I say anybody. Red Sox, Yankees, Tampa Bay Rays. Although it probably would have been Devil Rays. There's a Kyle Lewis rookie debut. And our last, we got it numbered to 99. Oh, vintage cardstock. It's matte on the front and back, but it's got the old Topps logo. And then finish it off with a Joey Bart prospect, Ronald Acuna, career highlight. I say career highlight. His whopping 3 seasons or whatever. Mike Mussina. And Adam Engel finishes it off. So, I guess the highlights of that would be you've got the Chrome Kwang Hung Kim for the Cardinals. Chrome Turkey Red. Got the Drew Butera numbered to 99, 10 of 99. Vintage stock. Then I've got the silver, or foil, Randy Arozarena. The Josh Taylor. The Buster Posey Gold of 2020. Got the Bo Bichette. I guess this other one here is a foil too. Jose Altuve. And Starling Marte is also a foil. And then the Bo Bichette rookie debut. Again, not numbered. But this Ronald Acuna outfielder for the Braves is numbered 75 of 299. So yeah, to hit, 2 numbered cards, the Chrome, even though the Chrome I don't believe is numbered. I didn't look or double check, but yeah, it's not numbered. But between that, the Gold, Buster Posey, and at least this came out of one of the hanger packs, so can't complain overall on the hangers producing that. But And then as well, also had the Verdugo, the Kyle Lewis rookie debut, Nico Horner rookie debut, along with, I think it was Gavin Lux, right? Yeah, Gavin Lux rookie debut. So, all in all, fair to Midland. But yeah, that concludes this break of 2020 Tops Update Mega / Hanger Packs. So appreciate you taking time to watch it, and as always, keep collecting.